It all began in a faraway place called Zanzibar, across the bay from the city of Dar es Salaam in East Africa. This is Zanzibar.
Oh, yes. Time for some beach volleyball.
A lazy island in the tropical Indian Ocean. For as long as anyone there can remember, the people have always raised spicy clothes and been ruled by sleepy sultans. The latest and greatest of them all was the Sultan Majid. The Sultan enjoyed his power because he truly cared for his people. He kept them busy and prosperous by building the biggest clove industry in the whole world. The harbor at Zanzibar was not very deep, so ships had to anchor far offshore. Day after day, the porters
Time now for some dynamic on-the-fly beach volleyball commentary.
And thank you at home for joining us for today's fantastic volleyball action. So good to see the people's champions playing again today. That's right. You join us live at Waveside, where the crowd are really turning up the heat for today's hot match.
Clouds he had to destroy at all costs. All began in a faraway place called Zanzibar, across the bay from the city of Dar es Salaam in East Africa. This is Zanzibar, a lazy island in the tropical Indian Ocean. For as long as anyone there can remember, the people have always raised spicy clothes and been ruled by sleepy sultans. The latest and greatest of them all was the Sultan Majid. The Sultan enjoyed his power because he truly cared for his people. He kept them busy and prosperous by
And the
building
whistle blows for the start of the match.
in the whole world. The harbor at Zanzibar was not very deep.
That's a fantastic block.
Day after day, the porters waded through the water to take the clothes out of the great ships. Year after year, the people of Zanzibar grew more and more clothes and the lines of the porters grew longer and longer. Still, the night, the Abakan, the angry bark,
Kicks the net, full on.
in his crazed mind,
0-1.
he saw the hippos as threatening clouds in the sky.
After that point, we have a change of service.
Clouds he had to destroy at all costs. All began in a faraway place called
0-2.
Expertly puts the ball into play. It's gone the other way. Ball is served. Let's play. Spike is blocked. Jump for the spike.
The Big Ice Tea Taste Test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30.
Great pass.
67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret, Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying ice tea can taste.
Chance for the spike. Keep it going.
Change it.
I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiane. Louisiane's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiane says nothing about cloudy, because it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiane, one tea that's always clear as a bell.
Hair is completely different. Not talking. I know you are the one who changed the garage door. And me, Uncle Joe. What's the garage door? Right. Thanks. Oh no! Great. We're gonna find
Teams are evenly matched and giving it their all. Service passes to the other side.
Sunset.
Closes down the attack.
I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever my alteration may have occurred unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
Oh, now that's
I know
what I
you
call
are the one who
fight.
changed the garage code. And me, Uncle Joe. What's the garage code? Flash. Right. Thanks. Oh no! Carl! Somebody's stealing the time machine! Carl, some guy in the bowler hat.
Change it.
Great. We're gonna find some way to blame me for this. Right. And do you want to know what else isn't funny?
Serves the ball in
Install
play.
the time machine. You're all wound up. Let's just calm down, take a breather, and watch the sunset.
Synchronization from the shot.
I'm on it.
Rally they talk about for years to come. Two great teams, two great scores. Where does it go from here? The serve goes to the other side after that
No,
point.
Dad killed way more times than succeeding. But he kept going
Great
right
chance.
That's why I gotta go back to the time.
Making it happen. Fight.
Seeing your mom isn't dancing. It's in the past. The future is with the memories. Just as I thought, the ship is almost out of fuel. We gotta come back. Soldier, I don't have time to explain every last detail to you. Just call me back to my house.
Amazing effort from the blocker.
Furious. No time.
And they make the fight.
What's it called? Really makes sense. Have you not been paying attention? Not where I want to. Where's my dad? Take the shot. But may I also point out that you wouldn't have gotten to ride the time machine, and you wouldn't have gotten to see the future, and
To the other half. Into the lead marched the home team. All right.
and moving along. Jesse's out to the family.
This for the match. Takes a deep breath for the serve.
Okay, sorry about that.
It's a high ball.
Talking crazy.
Back.
Really, what you need is a nice fight.
6-all.
All
Change
the
it.
faraway place called Zanzibar, across the bay from the city of Dar es Salaam, in East
Tie
Africa.
break.
Okay, we've got a tie break now. Both teams are locked.
This is Zanzibar,
Block recovery there.
island in the tropical
Went
Indian
for the
Ocean.
dive and got it.
For as long as anyone there can remember, the people have always
Also could be something big. It's there.
been ruled by
Fantastic shot.
sleepy sultan. The
That
latest
puts
and
the
greatest
home
of them
team
all
out
was
in
the
front.
Sultan Majid.
A
The
service
Sultan
change of
enjoyed
hands
the
now.
power because
How will
he
that
really cared
alter
for his
things?
people. He kept them busy.
A lot of pressure
and
on this
prospered
serve to
by
close
building
out the match.
biggest slope in the street
ball's
in
set
the
for a
whole
spike.
world.
Each player knows exactly what the other is doing.
Had to anchor far offshore. Day after day, the porters waded through the water to take the clothes out of the bleachers.
What an amazing rally. This is the stuff that throws. The winner's giving something back to the fans, and the whole of Wayside are on their feet. Nothing in it. Two teams with even abilities.
In his crazed mind, he saw the hippos as threatening clouds in the
Well
sky.
played. Here are
daring
your
to
best
stand
moments.
in his way. Clouds he had to destroy at all